Today, I will teach you how to make a delicious broccoli dish at home. The material we need are 1 broccoli, 1 garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 spoon of sunflower oil. To prepare, first clean and cut the broccoli like this. Chop the garlic into small pieces. Now that all of the preparation is done, we will cook. First of all, heat the pan and put the oil into the pan. Fry garlic for 1 minute. Then, add the prepared broccoli into the pan. Turn them over and over again. When the broccoli becomes soft, season with some salt. Now you can turn off the heat and it is ready to serve. You now have a delicious broccoli with garlic stir-fry dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want more delicious Asian-inspired recipes, please click subscribe below. Thank you very much for your watching.